Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your TikTok account. It's easy, so here we go. First, open TikTok app and log into the TikTok account that you are going to delete. Now here, go to your profile by clicking the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then here, click the 3 lines button at the top right corner. And go to Settings and Privacy. Select Manage Account. And here under the account control, you will see this delete account. Click on it. You need to select a reason why you want to delete your TikTok account. Select a reason and click on Continue. You can download your TikTok videos before deleting your TikTok account. But you can skip that, check the box here directly. And click on Continue. These are the reminders before the deletion. Make sure to read this first before deleting your TikTok account. Once then, click on Continue. The verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Copy the code here. And once then, click on Delete Account to delete your TikTok account permanently. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends.